In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enter trades on MetaTrader 5. Let's get started right from the platform. First, you'll want to open MetaTrader 5 and make sure you're logged into your trading account, whether that's a demo or a live account. For learning and practice, it's always safer to start on a demo account so you can get used to the process without risking real money. Once you're in, look for the section called Market Watch. This is usually on the left side of your screen. Market Watch is where you can see the list of available trading instruments, such as currency pairs, indices, or commodities, depending on what your broker offers. If you don't see it, you can usually open it from the View menu at the top and then select Market Watch. Take a moment to scroll through the list and find the symbol you're interested in trading. When you've found the instrument you want, right-click on it. A menu will appear with several options. From this menu, select Chart Window. This will open a new chart for that specific instrument. Having the chart open is important because it lets you see the current price action, recent trends, and any technical analysis you may want to apply before entering your trade. With the chart window open, look at the top of the platform for the New Order button. You can usually find it in the toolbar above the chart. Click on New Order to bring up the order window. This is where you'll set all the details for your trade. In the order window, you'll see fields for symbol, volume, stop loss, take profit, and order type. Make sure the symbol matches the market you want to trade. Then choose the volume, which is the position size or lot size. Be careful here. Your volume setting directly affects how much you're risking. If you're just starting out, consider using a smaller lot size while you practice. Next, you can set your stop loss and take profit levels. A stop loss is the price at which your trade will automatically close if the market moves against you, helping to limit your loss. A take profit is the price at which your trade will close in profit once your target is reached. You can type these in directly or adjust them later on the chart. Once everything looks correct and you're ready to enter the trade, choose whether you want to buy or sell. Click Buy if you expect the price to go up, or Sell if you expect the price to go down. After you click, MetaTrader 5 will execute your order, and you'll see the position appear in the Trade tab at the bottom of the platform. That's the complete process for entering trades on MetaTrader 5, from finding your market in Market Watch to placing a buy or sell order with your chosen details.